Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Grammarly on Google Docs. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here I'm going to Google browser. So in the search bar, you need to search for grammarly.com. So now this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open grammarly.com. So now just click on this add to Chrome. It's free. So here you can see Grammarly AI writing and grammar checker app. Just add to Chrome and add extension here. So yeah, it's being downloaded and it's being extended. So wait a while, just go to download here. So now click on next here and continue it. So now you need to click on try in Google Docs here. So your Grammarly has been activated in your Google Docs. So here it says Grammarly is now active. Want to see how it works. So you can take a quick tour or just click on no thanks. So I'd like to click on no thanks, and you can see here Grammarly. You can click on this and it will just check here all words and details in here. So in this way you can just activate Grammarly in your Google Docs. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.